From datatraders.com here. This video I want to go over a update to the SMA 200 on SPY strategy. So I did a previous video on this about a month ago. I'll leave a link in the description down below. Just wanted to look at the results for it so far. Essentially, when you're above the 200-day simple moving average of SPY, then you're going to be buying either UPRO or TQQQ. I did 1,000 on UPRO and I had 10,000 on TQQQ based on the back testing. And then if it's below the 200 SMA, then we're going to shift to the T-bills. So if we look at SPY, then you can do the 200-day on here. So let's do indicator, simple moving average on here, and change it to the 200. Not 9,200, that would be too much. And then if you go on the daily, you see how we hit above the 200-day moving average on Monday, May 12th. This blue line is the 200 moving average. We've been above it. It did get close to touching it. I waited until the end of the day though, and it stayed above it. And we continued above it, and we're still trending upward. If you look at Monday, May 12th, TQQQ on Monday, May 12th is around 66 or so. And currently we're at 74.69. So it ends up being a very good return in the end. Let's look at the data here. So on 5/12, SPY went over the 200 SMA. Then we entered TQQ at 64.8. Currently at 74.77, and that's a 15.4% gain in less than a month. Just going to stay in TQQQ as long as we're above the SMA 200. If we get below it, then I move to T-bills. If you have any questions on this video, let me know. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Helps out the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.